Okay.
Whenever you get on the top lid, I might throw your jacket on.
Okay. A little cold?
It just got cold. In like 20 seconds.
You want me to help you out with that?
Pretty sure you're gonna know it up there. Probably, yeah.
Dude, seriously, so good. It's like I think the whole deal is don't make it harder than it is from a physical standpoint. Like, it's like it's across the steps so fast. Oh, you've never done it?
I get about this. Just that punch in the wall. That's 6.
That's a 5.
Why do you have it out?
I don't know, it's in the stuff.
Is it chunk coin?
Are you worried about John? It's okay.
Chunk coin.
I can't remember where I got that.
Cool.
I think somebody at Dino gave that to me. I threw it in this bag and I never took it out.
Weird. Is it worth any money?
Probably.
Now it looks like you could go left.
Yeah.
Both equally look. I mean, there's a kick and there's like, yeah, but there's also some kicks out left.
Yeah. That's like real
I think I might go left. That looks.
John, this curly dog is really worried about you.
Oh, don't worry, I'll be fine.
Get some of the shoes.
I would not ever buy anything.
You're kind of crazy for a president.
There's some rat. That's cool. Not every route has that. You don't get that everywhere.
Well, Pete. The Melania pump.
He's a Hakua girl too.
Greed is one of the #1 reason that people fall for scams, man.
What's up? No, it was just kind of hard. Okay. I wouldn't call it fun.
No, I'm fine. I'm thinking whether I want. I got a high piece, but you know, ledge. All right, bogey in. Oh, you idiot.
Well, apparently it's a much better route if you do the whole thing. I don't know if everyone draws, though. I'll skip it.
Oh, I gotta think of that.
These are the routes that like ruin your food.
Okay. This is what I wanted. This is what I should have waited for.
They were helping out.
I got chalk in my eye. Come on now. That's not super good.
Although my
I didn't see anywhere. That's what I did. This is not some same size. But then it's Monday to Friday.
Okay.
I think the rope is gonna be dragging over the. I'll do it.
Well, all right, a little bit down, a little bit to go. I wouldn't call it a bivvy ledge. I mean, if we were big walling, it'd be a great place to stop. That part was way easier than I remember. Like way easier. What am I gonna do? Going leave the last screen. See if I can get a 5 and 0.5. All right, Patrick, I hope you checked your inbox. We got some business here. That's a little bit better.
That's pretty soft for a 12 bag.
It's up. Feel super good about that. That's a little tight. Oh, don't be a dingus. There we go.
You see what I mean when you get up here? It's like a huge ledge, too. Okay, you can take. Hey, John, do you see the anchors to your left?
Let me get a piece in and then we can talk.
Yeah. Yeah, I got you. Oh, we're not even lower. Yeah, honestly, it's pretty self-explanatory. Everything's there. Yeah, everything's there. Already caught. I mean, I didn't use anything over here. Oh, that sucks.
I need to add another 0.75 in my rack. At least I got one more. No, I don't see anchors to my right.
Up here.
This one looks super good. Let's get one more piece. Oh no. Alright, that's 0.75. Okay.
that thing is old, man. I've heard that thing.
Oh shit. That's exciting.
I didn't know you were going to do it. It's like awful. It was just like, it's, yeah, because it, like, the rope would literally be like, and then, like, the whole thing, it's just weird, yeah. No, it's from where,
What's next? It's really small stuff at the back. This is kind of tipped out. Let's maybe put this back. Not like that. There we go. That's cool. One. Okay. Are you talking to me? It feels easier than I remember. I think I was just overthinking the safety aspect, maybe. I don't know.